Hello everyone. Are you trying to get into trading but feeling overwhelmed by all those complicated charts on TradingView? Don't worry, you are not alone. Whether you are a complete beginner or just looking to sharpen your chart reading skill, this video is for you. Today I will walk you through how to read and understand charts on TradingView step by step, from candlesticks and time frames to indicators and drawing tools. By the end of this video, you will feel confident navigating TradingView and making sense of the data that traders rely on every day. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First of all, I am at the google.com website. Here you will search for TradingView. First of all, we are going to create an account here. Okay, so let's go for it. So I will open this website, tradingview.com. I have already created my account, but I will still show you how you can sign into this website. Okay, so first of all, this is the main interface of the website. Here you can see the interface. If you want to sign up onto this website, you have to go to this option. Okay, and then you can click on this sign in option. So if you are opening this website for the first time, then you have to sign up on this website. So you have to click on this sign up button, and then you can sign up with your Google account. Okay, so I have already created my account, but still I will show you how you can sign into it. So I am going to sign in with my Google account. Okay, it will fetch all of my account details in just a few clicks. So that's why I'm preferring this sign up with Google account. So finally our account has been created on this website. As you can see that this is the profile of our account. Okay, so we are going to discuss how we can view different charts. So for this purpose we will search for the view chart. Okay, for or you can also write in the Google trading view charts. Okay, so you will get this section chart. Okay, wait for a second. So this is the actual URL, tradingview.com/chart. If you write this URL in your browser, you will or get access to this page. Okay, as you can see that you can see the chart here. If you want to change the as you can see that this is the pair between Bitcoin as well as the US. Okay, so if you want to change the currency, you can search for your designated currency here. Let's suppose we want to go with the Ethereum versus US dollars. Okay, so you can see that this is the whole chart. And if you want, this chart is basically on monthly basis, but if you want to change, you can change the days as well, or you can get the results in minutes. Okay, so let's see for the 30 minutes. So this is the graph for the 30 minutes, and you can see there are multiple candles here. You can change the indicators from this option, and this is the option for the candles. Let's see if you want to check for the volume candles, or if you want to go for the line with the markers, you will get all of these options from here. Okay, and if you want to go for the technical analysis, you can go for the indicator, and here you will see a technicals options, and here you can apply 24-hour volume, or you can look for accumulation, distribution, advanced decline line, advanced decline ratio, and much more from all these settings. So that's all about how you can use TradingView, and how you can check for the different charts, and how you can apply for the actual knowledge analysis for with the help of these uh, candlesticks, and you can maximize your trading at this platform. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.